Welcome to Psyched for You, where we dive into the fascinating world of psychology. Today, we explore emotionally focused couples therapy, a powerful intervention rooted in attachment theory. Emotionally focused couples therapy targets emotions to ultimately change behavior. Therapists help partners express softer emotions like fear and sadness, which underlie reactive secondary emotions, such as anger and hostility. Attachment theory, the foundation of this therapy, suggests that our early interactions with caregivers shape how we interact with others throughout our lives. Infants have both tangible needs, like food and water, and less tangible needs, like emotional closeness and support. Infants express their attachment needs through behaviors like crying or smiling. Caregivers' responsiveness influences the development of the infant's attachment style, which often remains stable throughout life. The main types are secure, anxious, ambivalent, and anxious avoidant attachment. Responsive caregivers nurture children to develop a secure attachment style, enabling them to form stable and satisfying bonds with others. Inconsistent caregivers may foster an anxious, ambivalent attachment, characterized by separation anxiety and preoccupation with relationship problems. Unresponsive caregivers might lead to an anxious avoidant attachment style, where individuals avoid close relationships. Emotionally focused couples therapy aims to repair insecure attachment bonds, fostering more secure attachments in couples. It recognizes that everyone has attachment needs, though expressed differently. Behaviors are seen as enactments of our drive to connect and ensure our needs are met. Therapists guide couples to be responsive to each other's attachment needs. Accessibility and responsiveness are the building blocks of secure attachment. Negative behaviors are often struggles for secure attachment, involving protest, clinging, and helplessness. Central to this therapy is the idea that hard secondary emotions like anger are influenced by underlying soft primary emotions like sadness and fear. These primary emotions are grounded in attachment fears or injuries. There is a cycle between primary and secondary emotions. Unregulated expression of secondary emotions leads to further attachment insecurity and negative primary emotions. A common example is the demand-drawn-withdraw pattern, destructive to relationship stability and satisfaction. Expressing primary emotions enhances connection. Therapists help clients engage with and express these primary emotions to their partners instead of harmful secondary emotions. This process promotes responsiveness and understanding, healing attachment injuries and fostering attachment bonding. Emotionally focused couples therapy targets emotional responses, with improved communication patterns as a result. It's about getting in touch with and expressing softer emotions to build stronger, more secure relationships. Thanks for watching Psyched for You. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of psychology.